Hello everyone, welcome to Kanen Coffee. Here we have the delongghi magnifica espresso machine. Now this machine was brought here because it was leaking, and it was leaking from the generator. The couplings that are inside in the generator were leaking, so we ended up replacing them, replacing all the gaskets, making sure there were not any other extra leaks. We also cleaned a little bit the grinder, as well as the tunnel, pre-ground tunnel, and yeah, just give it a good cosmetic clean all over. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're gonna test it out, then we're gonna use the steamer and then hot water. Hopefully this time I set it up good, so we can get at least 2 ounces of water, or at least 2.5 ounces of water in here. Let's just increase it a little bit just in case. As you can see, really good water flow coming out of the machine, excellent color, and good temperature as well. We'll do a little bit more than 2 ounces because we already pre-selected that. So yeah, there you have it, working perfectly fine. So now let's just do the steamer. It's gonna take a little bit to build up some pressure, but once it gets there, we'll conclude the test basically. Now that it has built up some pressure, you can see that it's working perfectly fine, having really good temperature, and no leaks. And there you have it, the delongghi magnifica working once again. So thank you for preparing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content this every day, and thanks for watching.